David, I have to be upfront. You were a late addition to the guest list, and I only learned about you when Modi's email came through a few minutes ago. But I have already done my homework. Chico California Cannabis Company, C4. Chico's first cannabis manufacturing company. You and Curtis Bortle founded it. You are both disabled combat veterans, and I want to thank you for your service. Here's what I found that interests me. You are already investing in automation. You are working with Xylem Robotics. You have an APHEX pre-roll machine producing 900 pre-rolls per hour. You are not afraid of technology. That tells me a lot about who you are. Your business does manufacturing, distribution, white label, and packaging. You ship statewide across California. That means you are dealing with some of the most complex regulatory and compliance requirements of any industry in this room. Track and trace, seed-to-sale reporting, excise tax calculations, testing compliance, packaging regulations that change constantly. Based on what I know about the cannabis industry, I would expect that compliance documentation is a significant time drain. And I would guess that your inventory tracking across manufacturing, packaging, and distribution involves multiple systems that do not talk to each other very well. If those assumptions are close, an AI team member could automate compliance reporting, track every batch from production through distribution, generate certificates of analysis documentation, monitor regulatory changes, and flag what affects your operation, and optimize your production scheduling based on demand patterns. You are already ahead of most businesses in this room when it comes to automation. The question for you is whether you want to extend that intelligence from your production floor to your entire operation. I will send you a complete analysis and proposal after this presentation. And David, the fact that I built this for you in the last few minutes while we have been sitting here, that is the point of today.